Okay, let's modify a little bit the text frame. So in the layers panel, I will lock both pictures layers, and I will unlock the text layer. Then you should be able to select the text frame on page 51. Notice how there is two columns of text in that frame. It comes from the text frame options. So you go into Object, Text Frame Options, or Control B, Object, Text Frame Options, and there you may go into 3 columns mode if you wish to. 3. Check Preview to see how it looks like. Okay. Maybe a 10mm gutter is too wide, so let's decrease to 5. Good. Okay. So maybe the size of the font is a little bit too high right now. It's working fine for that frame in 2 columns mode, but the same size of frame with 3 columns inside of it, I think it's the text is the text font, they are a little bit too large, so we will decrease it. So let's try to select the paragraphs that are inside of that frame. So you use the text tool and go from here to here, like that. Anywhere. You start anywhere into the first paragraph and end anywhere into the last one. And we will work on that text now. So let's go into the character panel, type menu on the top of the screen, type menu, character, not character styles, only character, sorry, paragraph, that's the one I'm looking for. Sorry, character was okay. Character, and then you decrease the size and also the space between the lines. How do you know when it's okay? You have to print the document on the laser printer to check if it's okay. That's the only way to check if it's okay, the size of the text, the size of the font. Of course, you see on the screen, you have an idea if it's okay, but you have to really check on to paper by printing with a laser printer the text. And then you decide if it's okay. Of course, if your document is for a tablet, you will have to check on a tablet. Okay, great. There are some other options already chosen here. Optical kerning. It means that's the way InDesign deals with the spaces between every pair of characters. The global kerning here. So this is not standard in InDesign. When you open InDesign for the first time and add text, you don't have this like that. You have matrix and 0. But it's okay. That's better in optical kerning and like that. Okay, let's go now into the paragraph styles. Type paragraph styles. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay. So the text I provide it to you. It is using a paragraph style which is named body. Body is the name you give to the text you see the most in the document. Okay? And you have a little plus sign telling that this text has been manually changed, and now it looks different from what it should look like with that paragraph style applied on it. So what we'll do here, not alt-click to clear, we don't want to throw away what we just did. We will make another paragraph style just by going into the paragraph styles palette panel menu and ask for new paragraph style. Okay, this is the new paragraph style with the basic character formats, the size that I've just chosen, the leading, the space between the lines. Okay, and when you are making a new paragraph style or any style into InDesign, object style, character style, cell style, any kind of style, always check if it is based on something. And since you are a beginner in InDesign, choose always to create styles based on no paragraph style. It is best for you. Otherwise, you will have problems when you will be changing one style. It will change also another style, a style which is the child of the first one. That's style parenting, in fact, for advanced users in InDesign. So remember that when you create a style in InDesign, always base it on no paragraph style. Okay, you just have to click OK. And now you have a new paragraph style